What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Rayban Meta glasses. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Inside the box, you will find that you have the MetaView app, and you can search for it in the App Store or the Google Play Store, or you can scan the QR code. You get an eyeglass cleaner, and then you get this really nice case, USB-C charging on the bottom. The glasses will charge in this case. It's a really, really nice case. And you open them up and you can see they're green. So what we're gonna do now at this point is we're gonna download the MetaView app. Here's the app right here. Again, just go into the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for Meta AI. And all you're gonna do is install. Once you open up the app, you can see getting started with Meta AI or set up a device. So I'm gonna hit set up a device. I'm gonna log in with my account, or you can create an account. After you get your account all logged in, at the bottom right, you'll see it. Just tap that and hit add device. And for this, it's saying that the Meta AI uses nearby devices to do things like complete setup for your Meta devices, import photos and videos from your device, and install device updates over Wi-Fi. So we're gonna hit next. We're gonna hit allow. And it's asking me which ones I have here. So I have the Rayban Metas right here. So I'm going to select those. And you can see remove the tab to open, remove the protective tab to set up your glasses properly, and leave the glasses inside the case so that they can power on and charge. If the case doesn't turn blue, press and hold the pairing button on the back of the case for 5 seconds. Release when the case LED turns blue. All right, let's open these up. And it's green, and I'm gonna take this little tab out. Tab is now out that I mentioned earlier. And let's just see, this is turning orange. Let's just give it a few more seconds and see if it turns blue. So just to show you, mine are not blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go on the back here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. And I'm gonna press and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna turn it around, and now it is blinking blue, so that's exactly what I want it to do. I'm gonna go into the app again. I'm gonna say LED is blue. It sees them right here. I'm gonna tap on them, it's connecting. And the whole time I have it like this. All right, I'm gonna pair them. Still connecting, still opened like this. The light has stopped turning blue. Activating. All right, it's now downloading an update automatically. Okay, install update. It's gonna take about 4 minutes, so I'll let this do its thing. I'm just gonna leave the glasses in the case and leave my phone. I'm not gonna leave the screen or anything like that, and I'll see you after this update. While it's doing the update, I did wanna mention that there's some pamphlets inside. There's one that says, what's your smart glasses without a prescription lens? You can scan the code for a list of participation locations. If you want to get again, prescription for your glasses. You get a safety and warranty information booklet if you need that. It gives you a great getting started guide on how to download the app. Make sure you pull the tab. You have your charging. You have the light indicators to tell you what they mean for the charging and the battery levels. And then you also get this, which is friggin' fantastic as well. And that is that you get the little layout of where everything is and how to basically just to touch it or not touch it. And it's just great. I love that they have this because there's probably a lot of people that don't know where everything is on these glasses. All right, now I'm getting that the glasses have been updated. I'm gonna hit next, and it's telling me just to put on my glasses to learn the basics. And then real quick, how to use them. If you get a phone call, you're going to double tap the side right here to answer your call. If you want to hang up or like not answer the call, just press and hold right here, and that will do the same thing. If you're listening or want to listen to music, you can just tap once on this and they should begin playing music. If they don't, just go into your Spotify or whatever app you listen to music in and do that. If you're listening to music or a phone call and you want to make the volume louder, all you're gonna do is just swipe up towards the front or swipe back to the back to lower the volume. So it depends what you wanna do there. Back to listening to music. If you want to change the track, just tap this 3 times. If you wanna go back a track, tap it twice. And again, play pause, just tap it once or that's it to play pause. So 2 other tricks. If you want to take photos, there's a button at the top here on the right. Just press it once and it will snap a photo. Or if you press and hold the button in for a second here, you'll hear a ding, and then it's recording video. When you're ready to stop the video, all you do is just press it once, and that's it. There's a couple of things to do with your Ray-Ban Metas. Link down below if you want to pick them up. They look great. They sound really cool, and they're really fun to use as well. So I'll have more videos on these. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.